Straight up. Hey.
If I sacrifice myself, will I go to hell? In my trap house counting guala, talking to my scale. My jewelry box having more water than Wisconsin Dells. Trap nigga, I count money better than I spell. Came up from nothing, addicted to hustling. Yeah, he my dog, but now I don't trust him. She a bad bitch, but she know we just fucking. She told me she love me, I told her you plucking.
Cut that shit out, lil' mama.
Stop it. This bitch deserve a gold medal the way she suck it. Blue Louis V bucket. My chain too big to tuck it. My blunts the size of Biggie, spinning paper like I'm Puffy. She fuck me, then she lucky. Yeah, she got that super sloppy. I call that bitch yucky. Bitch, don't speak to me in public. Fast money, fast cars. I live for this shit. My young nigga, now man, they gon' kill.